Who are you going to vote for in this election?
I have to vote for Hillary Clinton against Trump.
So you don't like Donald Trump?
Well, I look at his past. I look at the way he operated all through his life, and he just hurt people, stepped on people to make his dollar. And I don't expect him to change. He's fooling the people. He speaks in words that are very bad, and they overlook them because Obama is president. And actually, they just want him to replace Obama. They want a white person back in the White House with white people in the secretary's positions. They say, we're going to take our country back. We're going to make it better. That is all a white power movement. So I have to vote against Trump. I'll do whatever it takes to get him votes to lose the election and Hillary to win it.
What do you think would be the consequence if Donald Trump gets elected as president?
I don't know what the consequences are, but I can tell you that you may have a big division that is going to surface between not only the races, but also the religions. I think that Donald Trump listens to money and not what the United States Constitution says in equality and justice. I think that he might try to be, I think that he will be, try to be a dictator. And it's not going to sit well with a whole lot of people of all races, because people are thinking right now equality and justice, and they're striving for it. It's still a struggle, but he's going to set us back ages and ages, back to the olden days.